Hello, my name is Mary Bright, and today I'll be talking about central ideas and main ideas, and the differences and similarities between them. What is a central idea? The central idea resembles a thesis statement for an essay. A single declared statement that sums up the main points of the speech is our central idea. The speech's main points will be used to support the central idea, which is a one-sentence summary of the speech's topic. An example of a central idea would be, after my speech, my audience will know the difference between snakes and salamanders. What is a main idea? Listed below are potential main ideas one could use to support their central idea. Number 1, the difference in the reptile's appearance. Number 2, where salamanders are found. Number 3, the reptile's different appetite habits. Number 4, how to safely approach either reptile. Remember that your audience should be relevant to your main point as well. An example of that would be, we would not go around talking about snakes and salamanders to people who own dogs or cats or don't really go out in nature often. That would be irrelevant to them. We would want to speak to people who are ready to learn the differences between these creatures if they were to encounter them in their lives. Make sure your main ideas are relevant to your thesis and your paper's specific purpose, that they are mutually exclusive, that they are relevant to your audience, and that you present an equal amount of information for each one when organizing your main ideas. Connecting the two terms. How are they connected? The main idea is what something is primarily about. All major points from the main idea reinforce our central idea. What we want our audience to learn from the speech is the central idea. It serves as a thesis statement, providing the listeners with food for thought as the speaker goes over the main points. And these are my sources cited. Thank you.